Welcome back, everybody. Oh my goodness, look what I have. It's a VacMaster VP230 chamber sealer. I've wanted one of these for a long time. Absolutely insane. If you look back, I started my channel here on YouTube 17 years ago. Wild game, cooking, meat processing, Colorado elk hunting, and then got into everything else outdoors. Over the last decade, it's primarily been the outdoor cooking, of course, and my Blackstone griddle cooking. I have the weekly show over on Blackstone social media as well. So I've been processing my own wild game for probably 25 years or so. Right after I moved to Colorado is when I got started doing that. I've used a bunch of vacuum sealers. I actually have had companies send me 5 different vacuum sealers, including some that are in the $400, $500, and $600 range over the years. There's a reason why you've only seen some of those in one video and they've never returned. I'm a butcher paper kind of guy. We double wrap with butcher paper. Everything's great for a year, year and a half. For a very long time, we use a bag neck sealer for our ground meat, for our sausage, etc. And why have you not seen me use my vacuum sealers in many videos? I've given away most of them. I sold a few. I actually sent one back. The reason is the seals break. Regardless of the thickness of the bag, I live at 7,300 feet here in the Rockies. The seals always break. You get a couple of elk roasts, you vacuum seal them, you put them in the freezer. And this is with the $600 very pro level vacuum sealers. The seals break. They just don't work. And plus it's impossible to seal anything that has any amount of moisture. Whether that's a tenderloin from an elk that has obviously a little bit of blood dripping out, or a fish fillet with a little bit of water in it. It just can't seal them. You end up having to tuck paper towels into the bags trying to get it to work. They never work. They always fail. It's a nightmare. Big shout out and a heartfelt thanks to the folks at VacMaster. I actually reached out to them. They got back with me. They were excited to partner with me, and that's what we're doing here. So I'm going to put a referral link first and foremost in the description down below. I'll put that throughout my videos. You can save 15% on a VacMaster. So if you're wanting to get a chamber sealer or accessories like the oil for the pump, butcher knives, they do kitchen knives, butcher knives, they have stainless steel food and meat processing tables. They have sous vide circulators, all kinds of really cool stuff. So check it out. 15% off with the code down below, and I'll get some kind of a kickback. So that would be really cool. Chamber sealers differ from vacuum sealers because vacuum sealers simply try their best to suck the air out of the bag. Whereas chamber sealers have a chamber and the machine creates an entire chamber that is a vacuum. It's void of all oxygen. All the air is taken out of there, and at the very end of the process, the bags come out with your meat in there, and there is a 100% vacuum. I mean, these things are incredible. It creates a vacuum around everything that's inside the bag, ensuring the absolute best vacuum that you can get. And you can't get close to this type of a vacuum in an old-fashioned vacuum sealer. Over the last couple of years, I've noticed a lot of my colleagues in the cooking industry have been using the VacMaster chamber sealers. One acquaintance that uses it in the competition barbecue field, another one that uses it for chicken in a catering and a pop-up scenario. I might use this with barbecue or for marinating foods, but my primary interest is going to be processing a meat every fall, of course, pronghorn, deer, elk, etc. everything you've seen me do here and on the other channel over the years. That was probably way too long of an intro, but I had to set the stage. Okay, this is the VP230 VacMaster, as I understand, as I started to read more about them. They've been around for over 30 years. They're based out of Overland Park, Kansas, so a Kansas City suburb. I've been there before. And they specialize in commercial, in restaurant, in food prep, in meat processing, and in home, very high quality chamber sealers. This one here weighs 90 pounds, like 89 pounds. It's an absolute beast. You can see it's made out of stainless steel and steel throughout. If you want a smaller unit, they've got you covered. If you want a larger unit, if you really are commercial, if you're a guy that's processing Wagyu beef and you're doing thousands of pounds of meat at a time, they've got you covered. They have units that are 2-3 times bigger than this. I just cut open a bag of steaks that I sealed last night, and I want you to check this out. I've done a lot of sealing over the years. Notice something. Even though it's only been a day, there is not one speck of liquid. There is not frost. There is nothing, and you're never gonna see that with a traditional vacuum sealer. Absolutely insane. You can get all kind of thicknesses for bags. These are 5 mil bags. I requested the thickest bags. And check this out. Put them in your bag, put them in the chamber, make sure the edge of the bag is over the seal bar, close the lid, and check this out. This is where the magic happens. This is what you want. It's a thing of beauty. The chamber size of this one is 12.5 inches by 15 inches by 5 inches deep. They actually make these little spacers if you need to. If the things you are sealing are not as thick, you can take up space, making your chamber sealing time, the period, a lot quicker. By the way, this can be set up to intervals all the way up to 99 seconds. Everything's fully adjustable, so if you need to adjust it for a longer seal time, you can do that. The max bag that this unit will take is 12 inches by 15 inches. When I was talking about how beefy this thing is, being almost 90 pounds and all steel too, it's really cool. It's almost like an air compressor, or if you will, like your vehicle. You actually have to change the oil. So VacMaster has 10 weight chamber sealer oil. You have to check the oil level, and it's pretty darn cool. This thing is the real deal. It's not a toy. And I wrote these down here because inevitably somebody's gonna ask. The overall dimensions of this machine is 15.5 by 19 inches by 15.75 inches as well. That's my brand new VacMaster VP230 chamber sealer. God willing, you'll be seeing me use this quite a bit in the coming year as we get closer to hunting season and also with fishing. We were just on a big northern pike fishing trip with our friends Stefan and Ellison. This would have come in handy last month as well. Like I said earlier, VacMaster does a lot of other things. They do the food processing, the meat prep tables. They have kitchen knives, they have butcher knives, a full line of sous vide circulators, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out, use that referral link down below. This one is a thing of beauty. It's like Christmas in February here right now. Before signing off, I just realized that I didn't tell you it's a 1/2 horsepower oil pump in the back. So there you go. Some of you would inevitably ask me that. So big shout out, big thanks to my new friends at VacMaster. I appreciate it. Means a lot to me, means a lot to the family. I've always wanted one of these. And so thank you so much for partnering with us. Until next time, Todd, praise the Lord and pass the food that's been sealed to airtight perfection in the VacMaster. Thanks for watching, everybody.